Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Beats Fit Pro with your MacBook. So first of all, open the charging case and input both earbuds inside. Next we have to use this button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Just like that. Right now take them up. Put them close to your MacBook, and we have to go to the settings. Go for the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and now just select your bits from the list. You can enable or disable the Siri, and we are successfully connected. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.